Hey folks, Becky with TravelScoot here. Today I'm going to show you the footrest modification for the LP mod that is going to fit along here, show you how this gets installed. You're going to need a 3mm Allen wrench and an 8mm socket wrench. There's a nut in here. This is loosely assembled when it comes to you, so don't need the tools just yet. On the inside of this, there is non-slip foam. What you're gonna do is come around. If you can keep this together, make sure that these non-slip foam pieces are pointed in. It's gonna be a snug fit. Fit this here. Tighten this with your finger to begin with. Fingers, tighten this nut on the underside with your fingers. It's going to take a little bit of wiggling to get it into the correct positioning. Okay. Once you have that, you're going to secure the nut with the socket wrench, using your Allen wrench, tighten down, moving back and forth between the two until the plate along the top is flush and even. So we're tightening equally on both sides, making sure one's not higher than the other. Everything tightened down equally. You're gonna be able to adjust this to the height that you want it along here. And those are your foot pegs. Once it's tightened all the way, this is not going to move any further. You can feel secure resting your feet on it. And then just like the standard foot pegs, these will go up when not in use and extend down when you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching and happy scooting.